Hey guys, my name is Annabelle. I'm a nursing student from the George Washington University School of Nursing. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a short little tutorial on how to properly put on and take off a face mask. So as you know, the CDC now recommends that everyone wear a face mask when you're going out in public. And this is really to prevent you from spreading the virus to those in the community, and it's also going to help prevent you from contracting the virus. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys had the proper steps to putting this on and taking this off so that you don't risk actually contaminating yourself or others in the process. So the first step to putting on a face mask is hand hygiene. So we're gonna wash our hands for 20 seconds using soap and water, or we can use hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna use hand sanitizer right now. It's just easier for the video. If you do use hand sanitizer, just make sure that it's at least 70% alcohol based. Once you have sanitized your hands, then we can go ahead and put on the mask. So we want to be careful about putting on the mask. We want to carefully wrap the loops around our ears. And then we are going to adjust for comfort. So we want to make sure that the mask goes completely over the nose and then also under the chin. So once we have positioned it where it's comfortable, we are not going to touch the mask again. And that's because we could possibly touch a surface that is contaminated. And if we touch our mask, then our mask becomes contaminated. And if we happen to touch our face at all, then we could possibly get the virus. And so once we have the mask on and it's comfortable, we are not going to touch it again until we're ready to properly take it off. So the first step to properly take off the face mask is going to be hand hygiene again. So like I said before, we can wash our hands for 20 seconds using soap and water, or we can use hand sanitizer. When we're ready to take it off, we want to be very careful not to touch the fabric area of the mask. So we're going to grab the mask from the loops, and we're going to take it off just like that. Be careful not to touch the fabric because that could possibly be contaminated. So once we've taken it off, we are going to place it in a plastic bag or a container or a Ziploc baggie until we can put it in a washing machine. So the great thing about the cloth mask is that you can just wash it with your laundry, just throw it into the washing machine on high heat and then dry it, and then it's ready to use again. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can comment below, or you can reach out to me. I really would love to answer any questions that you guys have. I'm also going to make a video on how to properly put on and take off gloves. So if you're interested in that, then look out for that video. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and make another video for you about how to properly put on and take off gloves. So the first step in putting on gloves is hand hygiene. So you're going to wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water, or you are going to use hand sanitizer. And then you're going to grab a pair of gloves. So once the gloves are on, you are going to still practice basic safety when it comes to spreading germs. So again, don't touch your face when you have gloves on. Just because you have gloves on does not mean you have like an invisible shield around you that stops you from getting the virus or spreading the virus. So you can still touch something that's contaminated, and then when you touch your face, you are contaminating yourself as well, and you can touch other surfaces or spread it to other people. And so you still want to practice safety while wearing gloves, but they do act as a great barrier when it comes to spreading germs. But like I said, you just don't want to be touching your face when you have these on. So when you are ready to take them off, this is the best method that I found to take them off without contaminating yourself in the process. So I usually use my right hand. I am right-handed, so it's just easier for me. So I grab the inside of the left palm and I just pull it off straight like that. And and then I can wrap the dirty glove in the other dirty glove. And since we did hand hygiene before we put them on, when I put my finger underneath this glove, it's clean. So I will put 2 fingers underneath here and just pull it off so that you turn the glove inside out. Throw this out immediately and do hand hygiene one last time. And that is all there is to it. So it's really simple, but you do want to make sure that you aren't touching the dirty part of the glove with your clean hands. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I hope this was helpful to you. Seriously, don't be scared to reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.